Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be going over my trade recap, and I'm going to explain my thought process and what I was thinking. So I usually never trade London session, but I traded London session yesterday and it went really well. I really liked it. It was a good trade, I guess, good setup that I took, and I wanted to see if I could catch something like this again, and I almost did, and I could have, but I'll explain why I didn't. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I hop on the market around, you know, 1, right, 1 a.m. So when the market opens, honestly, I didn't really care much about the daily bias. It seems like, there really isn't a daily bias. I feel it's just kind of whatever's happening, it's like, I guess it's kind of bullish. We're bouncing off of that, but it's not really anything crazy. And yeah, so I wanna can I get the select bar? Alright, so we hop in on the chart at 1 a.m. I'm just chilling on the 5 minute time frame here. Everything looks a little choppy. So I'm kind of just, I guess, looking, seeing what's going on. So I come into the day and I see on the 15 minute, or I think it's a 1 hour. Is it the 1 hour? I think it was 2 minute. 2 minute time frame, yes. So 2 minute time frame. See this giant fair value gap to the very left, right? And we have Asia lows just chilling down here. So my thought process is, okay, so I would ideally like to go down to these Asia lows, then we come back up, and then that's where I get my entry. Let's say a huge, what the heck, get my entry there, and then we just target something here, or a high right here, or a high up here. I don't know, it really depends, but yeah, so going to the 5 minute, going down. All right, let me turn this off. But yeah, Asia lows right here. Where's, so these are Asia lows, and then these are Asia highs. And I really like this draw liquidity for Asia highs, because we literally had a double top up here, double high, and I really like double highs. Those are pretty good draws in liquidity, and especially since it's Asia high, I was wanting to go there. But yeah, we move down here, boom, just kind of what I expected. And then yeah, boom, hit that, and we reject very cleanly off of it. Notice how when we touch this, there's not really a thick candle here. It's just kind of this line that's just kind of there. And right here, I'm like, all right, cool. There's a 5 minute inverse fair value gap right here. So I wait for a candle to close the top of it, and we get this bullish candle, another bullish candle, boom, perfect. Enter in right here, target Asia highs, and put my stop loss a little below this. And my break even was at the next high, which would be this high right here, right above the fair value gap. So next 5 minutes goes by, boom, we hit that, and I believe we get stopped out right here, because we hit the high, bam, yeah. So we get stopped out right there, and I'm like, all right, cool. But I'm wondering, okay, so we got stopped out because there was a 3 minute right here. So since there is a 3 minute right there, I was thinking, all right, maybe if we close above this 3 minute, then I am willing to take a trade on this right here. So, and I would still target these Asia highs since I like to draw on liquidity here. Put my stop loss right below here. So wait for it to close. So that was my first trade, and yeah, it does close. So we get in. Honestly, I get in around here because I kind of got a late fill, and it wasn't really the best fill, but it wasn't too bad. So yeah, we come down here, and boom, we kind of bounce off of this 5 minute inverse, or not inverse, but this 5 minute fair value gap right here, and I really like that reaction. But since we were kind of struggling to just keep going up, I moved my break even to this high right here. So we tap that break even. I, go break even, and yeah, we get stopped out right there. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Um, and then yeah, now we just are going down again, and we're gonna probably take out this low. But yeah, it was good. I like both trades. Um, didn't lose any money today. Just kind of a break even day. I actually did try taking a 30-second on my top step right here. I really like this trade right here. I thought this was amazing. This is off the Asia low, and with the liquidity sweeping. If you get in right here, I could have targeted something like right here probably. And I thought it would have been a good trade, dude. Like if I don't know if I would have gone break even here. If I did go break even there, it would have been invalid. But if I placed my break even on this fair value gap, this trade would have TP'd, bro. Amazing, bro. But I accidentally, dude, I accidentally like took out my own order because I accidentally like put one of the orders, I guess, so close. If that makes sense. But yeah, it's weird. Top step is stupid, dude. It's really stupid. But yeah, so could have had a winning day, to be honest, but it is what it is. But yeah, that is the nature of trading. But anyways, I thank you guys all so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. This is my like button. Subscribe if you're new, and if you want to see more content like this, then yeah, I'll keep posting more stuff like this. I will keep showing you guys the raw reality and truth of trading. And if you guys want to learn the strategy I trade, I'm also willing to teach you that too. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.